Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. Real quick one. And yes, this will be quick. When do you hone your plane blades? Before your work session or at the end of your work session before you put your plane away? Now, there's pros and cons for both of it. I like to hone before a work session, during a work session. I don't like honing at the end of the day. Why, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. A freshly polished piece of steel will begin to corrode immediately after you've polished it. So let's say I polish this up, I put it on the shelf, and I don't get to it for a few days. There is a certain amount of oxidation that occurs on the steel. So in theory, at least in my mind, your cutting edge is its sharpest fresh from the honing. Now, is that to say it's dull? No. It just means that there are salts and moisture in the air that attack steel and iron, and they begin to corrode from the moment they have been polished. Now, what I will do at the end of a day is I will pop the hood, I will take the blade set out, and I will dust it off. Okay? I'll dust my hood off. I'll dust the whole plane off. And if there's some shavings that get in here, in these corners, I will use the brush and I will try to knock them out, shake them out. Because any shavings left on steel will attract moisture. And moisture on steel will cause what? Yes, rust. So that's ready to be put back together. I don't pay much attention as to whether I'm in square and straight. I back the blade set up. I put the hood on. I close it. Make sure there's no blade exposed. I might even take a little bit of oil on the sole, maybe even on the cheeks, and that's it. That's ready to go to bed. Now, if you have a toolbox where you can put all your tools in and close the doors, then you're protecting them from moisture. So that's a little different story. I have them on a shelf. So that's it. I told you it'd be a quick one today. I'm done. Just curious to know if you think sharpening before the work session gets you both physically, mentally, I don't even want to say it, but maybe spiritually ready to go to work, and your tool is perfectly set. Or do you like to do it at the end of the day to relax, put them away? Let me know what you like to do down in the comment section. But most importantly, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.